So let me explain something to you guys. If somebody ever comes around you talking to you about drugs, run away from them. You understand what I'm saying? Run away from them. And see, I got these guns that I want to talk to you guys about. I have a whole lot more to tell you, but I don't have a whole lot of time. I got these guns. I have a gun on my side right here. Just this week, at the beginning of the week, a young boy, not even 16 years old, was killed because he was playing with a gun. And see, this is an unloaded gun. Right here, this is a gun. No, empty weapon. Empty weapon. This is a Glock 40. 50 Cent, Too Short, all of them talk about Glock 40. Okay, I'm the only one in this room professional enough that I know of to carry this Glock 40. I'm the only one. Right? No, all right. Is everybody all right? You all right? Stop, that's it. Walk. I got it. Yeah, I had an AD. Yeah, I'm here. Listen up, guys. But, listen up. And I made a mistake. So listen to me. Guys, listen to me. Yeah, listen to me. See that how the accident happened? It can happen to you, and you can be blown away. Okay? So guys, never play with guns. See how accidents happen? They happen. Okay, now I'll probably never ever be able to show guns again. But Brian, bring that other gun out, Brian. Brian. Yeah, Robert, see that right there. See that right there. Brian. I think he called it right now. Bring that other gun out. Hey, you see this gun right here, guys? Listen. See this gun? Look. Hey, oh! It's empty. It's an empty weapon, guys. Don't listen. Robin, hey, Robin, just keep my stuff.